Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I had discussed about the location and size of our country, India. According to size, our country is the seventh largest country in the world. So, yesterday I had discussed the location and size and its position in the world map through a sketch. Now I want to show you through this map that is here. It is India, one of the countries of Asia continent. This is India, and these are our neighboring countries, and this is the seventh largest country in the world. So this is the Asia continent, and you will get this map on the first page of your textbook, where you can identify our country, where our country is shown in this figure. And these are the projection, that is why I discussed the peninsular part, which is projected to the Indian Ocean and here in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Now I am going to the larger content only about of our country. This is the physical political map of India, where we can get a clear idea of our country. Here I discussed about the north to south extension yesterday, more than 3000 kilometers. Here it is westernmost and easternmost. It is also 2914 kilometers, that is the extension of it. Now this is the seventh largest country in the world, and in your textbook page 2 you will get the size of the countries according to through a bar graph on the page 2. First, the largest area country is Russia, and its size is the first in the world. It covers 17.09 million square kilometer. Second one is the Canada. One of the countries of North America continent, and it covers area 9.98 million square kilometer. Third one is United States of America. This is also another country of North America continent. And fourth one is China. This is another country of the Asia continent, and one of our nearer neighbor also. And fifth one is the Brazil. Which covering the area of 8.5 million square kilometer. And sixth one, the island continent of our of the world, that is Australia. This is sixth one. It covers more than 7.5 million square kilometer. And the seventh one is our country India, which covers approximately 3.28 million square kilometer. So according to this, these are the size and location of our country. And in the last part of this first chapter, you will get that the neighbors of our country that I had discussed a little bit yesterday. First, we are going to the map to show the neighboring countries of our country India. If I start from Nepal, here northern side, it is Nepal. It is land bounded by some of the states of our country, that is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. Another country on the northern side, that is Bhutan, which boundary covers with Arunachal Pradesh, a little part of Assam, West Bengal and Sikkim. And after that we have a neighboring country, that is Tibet, one of the part of the China. Now here in the eastern part we shall get the Myanmar. This is the Myanmar neighboring country sharing the border along with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and as well as our another neighboring country Bangladesh. And this is another neighbor of our country, that is Bangladesh, and sharing border with West Bengal, Meghalaya and Tripura, and a large part with Mizoram. Now come to the western part of our country. This is Pakistan. Pakistan sharing the border of our country along with Jammu and Kashmir, now Union territories. Jammu and Kashmir, recently it is divided into two parts. Ladakh fully Union territory, and it is Union territory where independent government will be there, like our national capital territory Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, this is Punjab, the border with Rajasthan, and the border with Gujarat, that is Ran of Kutch and area of this part. This is the another neighbor of our country, and in this part I explained yesterday a border of Afghanistan, and it is the oldest route through which in our history chapter we shall get the Silk Route that is coming through this way to from China to Afghanistan and entering into the India. And this part is the border with our China. This part is presently on the Union Territory Ladakh state. Another neighboring country, that is here Sri Lanka. It is a pearl island, and with the southern state it has no land boundary along with us, and separated through the Indian Ocean a strait which is known as Park Strait, Here you will get in this part another neighboring partner a little bit away from Kerala, that is Maldives. So these are two. Maldives in the smaller map you will get here, and if you look at this map you will get it here, the Maldives. Maldives is another neighboring country of our. This is an island group of island and independent country, and it is also a neighbor to our country. So these are the two countries neighboring to us, Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are southern neighbor of our country. That is as a whole the gist of our country India: location, size and its neighbor. And yesterday I told this is the coastal area of our country which is projected to the Indian Ocean. Here it is Bay of Bengal. We had a group of island named in Bay of Bengal that is named as Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is the southernmost point of our geographical level, but in our main point it is the southernmost point of our mainland, and this is Lakshadweep, and it is a coral island and one of the union territories of our country. So that is the gist and in a nutshell of a summary of our country, land size and our neighbor.